welcome back to my channel, and this is the Vermal product reviews, and today I will be unboxing a new item and accessories for my Samsung Galaxy Tab E, which is the Samsung Galaxy Tab T377V. So let's start up with this huge one. This is the big. Yeah, this is the big one. So let's open this up and let's see. So this is the tempered glass in the what is called the tempered glass, and also the 8.0 inch hard case. So let's open this up, and then here it goes. And now let's open this up. So let's take out this first. So this is the what is this called? This is the case. This is the case, and I think this is the tempered glass. So let's open this up first, and then okay. This is this is it. So this is the tempered glass, and has the wipes. So let's step aside, and then let's open this case, and like this one, and be sure not to yes, this is it. Okay, right. So let's try to fit if it really fits. So here's the speaker and then the camera. So let's open. Whoa, nice. Okay, love it, love the color. And then this is the there's a velcro strap, and then there's a and then let's try to yes, it really fits. Yes, and yeah, it's good. Really good. So there's a there's a pen here, so I don't have a pen, so I decided to have some pen, just to, and then it can also it yes, can also. So love it, love it. So this is the tempered glass, and then I'm gonna put the tempered glass later on. So just because I don't know how to put a tempered glass, so I have to ask some to my niece to put the tempered glass on. So okay. So next one is this. Okay, so yes, it is a back cover. So let's open this up here in here, and then let's check what is this. Oh, so I think this is the clear. Oh, this is the husky. This is the husky. Oh yes, and love it. Yeah, so cute doggy, so cute pupper. Yeah, love it. So let's fit. Yes, yeah, love it, nice. Love it, love it. Yes, nice. This is awesome. And also this one, this is the last one, I think so. So let's open it up. So this is the cleared one. Okay, let's step aside, and then let's check. Okay, so I got some new accessories, yeah, again, and then this is for my tab. This is for my tablet. Oh, nice, love it, and so clear, and also yes, jelly case rubber for tablet. So let's try to switch, and let's try to switch it up. So yes, yeah, it's good, feels good, not bad for the cover. So nice and love. This is good. This is nice. I love the uh, love this one. Yes, and if ever I'm going to a trip, I'm going to travel. So this is the case that I am gonna use. This is the case that I'm gonna use. Okay, love it. Nice. Okay, and then so that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you all enjoy watching. This is the Vermel product reviews, and this is my blog for today. This is the title of this blog is Samsung Galaxy Tab E 377V accessories, so hard case and jelly cover case. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next video.